The 2025 Rolls-Royce is more than just a car, it's a symbol of timeless luxury fused with cutting-edge innovation. With a starting price well into the seven-figure range, this flagship model remains the pinnacle of prestige in the automotive world. Built with a handcrafted aluminum space frame architecture and powered by a whisper-quiet V12 engine or an optional fully electric drivetrain in some trims, this car is for those who settle for nothing less than absolute excellence. One look at the exterior and you know this isn't just another luxury vehicle. The 2025 model stays true to Rolls-Royce's classic design language while adding futuristic enhancements. The signature Pantheon grille now features subtle illumination, giving the front a floating, regal presence at night. Sleek laser-cut LED headlights frame the bold face, while the side profile boasts flawless lines and suicide doors that open like a theatrical curtain, inviting you into a world few get to experience. The Spirit of Ecstasy sits proudly on the hood, retractable for security, yet ever commanding respect. Step inside and you're instantly immersed in bespoke opulence. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship: real wood veneers, hand-stitched leather seats, and customizable starlight headliners that mimic your personal constellation. Everything is tailored to the owner's preferences, from monogrammed cushions to the scent of the cabin. The infotainment system is seamlessly integrated behind glass panels, staying out of sight until summoned, creating a clutter-free and serene space. It's not just an interior, it's a sanctuary. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Rolls-Royce redefines the word. The ride quality is cloud-like, thanks to the self-leveling air suspension and advanced noise cancellation technology that makes the cabin eerily silent even at highway speeds. Rear passengers enjoy aircraft-style reclining seats with massage functions, ambient lighting, and fold-out picnic tables. Whether you're driving or being driven, every moment inside this car feels like a retreat. Despite its massive size and weight, the performance is nothing short of astonishing. The 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine delivers a smooth surge of power, gliding from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds. And for those going electric, the Spectre trim offers instant torque, zero emissions, and an ultra-quiet ride that feels like you're floating. Steering is precise, the brakes are confident, and the transmission is so smooth you barely notice it shifting. The 2025 Rolls-Royce isn't about speed or specs, though it has both. It's about making a statement. It's about entering a different world where craftsmanship, elegance, and presence merge into an unforgettable experience. If luxury had a final boss, this would be it.